So today is the day I'm gonna make my truck smell like beer. Air freshener beer. So what is up, YouTube? It's Joel with Attention to Detail, and today we're doing another air freshener video. I kind of already mentioned this is the On Tap. If I can get the camera to focus, sorry. This is On Tap by Chemical Guys. It's a premium beer scented air freshener and odor eliminator. So I've done a lot of these videos before. I'm gonna do just another quick rundown of how to use it in the vehicle for those that don't know. And then I'll kind of give a brief description of what it smells like, but I kind of think we already know. But nonetheless, let's go through the steps for those that don't know, and I'll show you how to deodorize your vehicle. In this case, make it smell possibly worse. Just kidding for those that like beer. But for real, I'm gonna show you how to deodorize your vehicle. This is gonna clean your vents, clean your cabin air filter. It's gonna get rid of bacteria and hopefully get rid of any foul odors you may have inside of your vehicle. So let's go through the steps. So when we're trying to flush out the vents and the cabin air filter, what you're gonna wanna do is make sure that your air is turned on max AC. You want that to be cold air. Like I said, AC. You want to make sure your air conditioning is turned on. Also, recirculate has to be turned on. What this does is just recirculates the air inside of the vehicle. I'll show you on the floor where that intake is. I usually keep the air just on face, just because I want to be able to smell it. I don't necessarily need it to be clearing bacteria. I don't have foul odors inside of my vehicle, so that's not a concern for me. If you do have foul odors inside of your vehicle, you may want to turn on the glass as well as the feet. The reason I don't turn the glass on is the chemical may actually leave residue up on the glass, and I don't want that. However, like I said, if you have an odor in your vehicle and you think it's coming from your air vents, I would highly recommend using the glass as well as the feet and the face. So the final step would just be then to turn your air as high as you can. It's kind of loud and kind of hard to talk over, so I'm going to go ahead and turn that right back off. So the steps would be as followed: AC on high, air conditioning on, recirculate on, and your air turned all the way up. So the next thing you're going to want to do is find the passenger side floor. If you go down here, you can see back there, there's where the air intake is on this truck. Now it's going to filter air up through the vents. It's going to go through the cabin air filter. So when you're spraying the chemical down here, that's what's going to take the air up through, and that's what's going to clean your vents. So not only is it cleaning the vents, but it's getting rid of bacteria and all sorts of nasty stuff that's up in there causing odors. All right, folks, we're gonna take the air freshener and we're just gonna do a quick demonstration of how to use it for these air vents. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take the product. We've gone through the steps already. I have AC on high. I have it on recirculate. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and mist the area. Now what that's going to do, like I said before, is that's going to take it through this vent, up and through the vents and into the cabin air filter, killing bacteria and making the vehicle smell like, in this case, beer. Maybe not the wisest choice for a vehicle. Try not to get pulled over if you're using this, but hey, some people like it. So overall, it smells like beer. It's kind of a cheapy, hoppy smell. Actually, I feel like yeasty. I don't know how you even want to describe it. Definitely smells like beer. I wouldn't recommend spraying this in your vehicle and then getting pulled over. You're probably going to get asked a few questions and maybe a few sobriety tests that you don't want to go through. But I mean, if you're a drinker, if you really like the smell of beer, you know, this is something that's maybe for you. Chemical Guys is going above and beyond with air fresheners. Now they have like a pound cake, and they have donuts and coffee and all sorts of stuff. So yeah, overall, it's not a bad product. Head over to Chemical Guys if you want to, you know, pick yourself up a bottle. If you like this video, please hit that like button and remember to subscribe. This was Joel from Attention to Detail. Thanks for watching.